Dear student teachers, do you know the meaning of the terms attitude and science? Yes, you rightly said. The like and dislike about a particular aspect is known as attitude. The systematized store of human knowledge gained after generalizing and interrelating the various isolated facts is known as science. Let us see what is scientific attitude. While teaching science, certain mindsets are created in students which is known as scientific attitude. In other way, it is perceived open-mindedness, a desire for accurate knowledge, and a confidence in procedure for seeking knowledge. It is mandatory for everyone to develop scientific attitude. There are many ways to develop scientific attitude in students. The first one is making use of planned exercises. Actually, the science is based on the activities and experiments. Therefore, many simple activities which are published in science journals and magazines. Hence, we have to give opportunities for students to perform these activities. The second one is wide reading, in which the students should be instructed to refer books in the library on science to update their scientific knowledge. The third one is proper uses of practical period. This is very important one, because there is a separate period for practical class for students in school. Hence, as science teachers, we have to properly utilize the practical period for students to perform experiments in laboratory. The fourth one is the personal example of teachers. As a science teacher, if you have any opportunity to go and visit some science-oriented places like factories, atomic research centers, etc., in that circumstances, you should take photos or videos, and these can be placed before our students for group discussion in normal class. The fifth one is study of superstition. There are many superstitious beliefs prevail in our society. As a science teacher, we have to identify these things and eradicate such superstitious beliefs from our students. For example, if a cat crosses your way when you are going out for some work, then your work will not be done on that day. It is a best example for superstitious beliefs. The other way to develop scientific attitude is involving the students in co-curricular activities like science exhibitions, science clubs, and science fairs to excel their science talents. So far, we have seen some effective ways of developing scientific attitude among students. It can help the students for open-mindedness, critical observations, intellectual honesty, unbiased and impartial thinking, and critical thinking. So, the student teachers try to develop scientific attitude in students and be a successful teacher in future. Thanking you.